guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another quick CVS video. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you like it here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. The first deal I picked up is on Eucerin lotion. The on the deal of spend 20 get $10 extra care box back and it's a limit of 1 per week. I picked up 3 of the intensive repair lotion, priced at $6.99 each, and they would total $20.97. I have a 3 of 20 Eucerin CRT, and I have 3 $2 coupons that I'll use on each item. All this would take it down to $11.97, and I'll get $10 back, making all 3 just $1.97 or 66 cents each. The next deal I'll pick up will be on Monday hair care. The on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2 you get $4 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1 per week. I'll pick up 2 of the moisture leave-in conditioner. They are priced at $6.29 each. That means the second one will be $3.15. Both will total $9.44, and we all received the 2 off 2 digital coupon that will drop you down to $7.44, and I'll get $4 extra care box back, making these 2 products $3.44 or $1.72 each. I checked out these 2 deals and it worked out very well. The 2 of 2 coupon came off for the Monday hair care, and all my coupons applied, including the 3 of 20 Eucerin CRT. I have a 3 off your next purchase CRT that I got in my email that I used with this. Paid just $15 with my extra care box and paid $1.40 out of pocket, and I got back $10 for spending $20 on Eucerin and $4 for buying 2 Monday hair care. Because I used the $3 CRT, it ended up helping with this transaction, and it made everything cost just $2.40 or 48 cents each. The next deal I picked up is the Oral-B toothbrush. They on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 3 you get $5 extra care box back. I'm going to pick up 3, and that would total $11.97. We all received a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and we also have a $1 off in our app that will double dip with the 5 off 3. I have a 3 off Night Crest or Oral-B CRT. That's a total of $9. It will drop it down to $2.97, and I'll get $5 extra care box back, making all 3 free and a $2.03 money maker. The 5 off 3 digital coupon double dip with the $1 off for the Oral-B, and also the 3 off 9 Crest or Oral-B CRT applied. I have a 2 off your next purchase CRT from my email that helped drop it down to just 97 cents, and I got the $5 extra care box back. The next deal I picked up is the buy 2 get $7 extra care box back on Nivea product. I'm going to pick up 2 of the men's body wash, priced at $6.79 each. Both will total $13.58. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and we also have another $3 off any Nivea product that will double dip and take off $8, dropping it down to $5.58, and I'll get $5 extra care box back, making both free and a $1.42 money maker. The next body wash deal I have is on soft soap. On the deal of buy 2 get $4 extra care box back, and this deal includes the Iris Spring, but I'll pick up 2 of the soft soap priced at $6.59. Both will total $13.18. We all have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.18, and I'll get $4 extra care box back, making both $4.18 or $2.09 each. I have a 4 off 18 body wash CRT, and for me to get to 18 I have to combine these 2 deals, and the total for these 2 deals is $26.76. And after the 2 $5 coupons come off and the $3 that will double dip with the 5 come off, with the 4 off 18 CRT, it will drop it down to $9.76, and I'll get $7 back for the Nivea and $4 back for the soft soap. All these items will be free and a $1.24 money maker. The next 2 items I'll pick up before I check out will be CVS Health Vitamin, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, and I have a $6 CRT for this. I'll pick up the vitamin C price at $6.29. One will be free and the other one the $6 will help pay for. And after the $6 CRT come off, I'll end up paying just 29 cents for both or 15 cents each. All my checkout today went very well, including this one. My two coupons double dip, the 5 off 2 and the $3 for the Nivea. The 5 off 2 for the soft soap came off and the 4 off 18 for the body wash CRT came off as well. And my $6 CRT for the vitamins applied. I ended up using just $10 extra care box, paid 5 cents out of pocket, and I got back $7 for the Nivea deal and $4 for the soft soap. This transaction ended up being free and a $1.24 moneymaker. If you need Raid Ant and Roach Spray, my store have it on clearance for 80% off. It dropped down to $1.99. And check your Ibotta because it's giving back $1, limit of 5. That will end up making it just 99 cents. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for being here. And I'll talk to you all next time.